Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, revolutionary drone landing system. Researchers of the Madras Institute of Technology, Anna University, have made a significant breakthrough in drone technology with the development of a groundbreaking airborne based intelligent autonomous landing system. This innovative system is designed to revolutionize the way drones operate, particularly in challenging environments. Next, K5SLBM covers the entire Asia under its range. India's upcoming K5 submarine launched ballistic missiles is set to significantly enhance the country's strategic nuclear deterrent. With a range of 5,000 km, the K5 showcases its ability to reach targets across the Indo-Pacific region, including China. As depicted in the image, Indian naval SSBNs equipped with K5 SLBMs can safely launch nuclear strikes on China from within the Bay of Bengal. This eliminates the need for SSBNs to venture into the Pacific Ocean or South China Sea, reducing the risk of detection and increasing survivability. Next, multifunction radar system. BEL has secured a significant order worth rupees 850 crore from Cochin Shipyard Limited for the supply of indigenous multifunction radar in X-band. This radar system will be integrated into the next generation missile vessel, a new class of anti-surface warfare corvette being developed by CSL for the Indian Navy. Next, visiting HAL Helicopter Division. Air Marshal B. Manikantan, Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Southern Air Command, conducted a visit to the helicopter division of Hindustan Aeronautic Limited at Bangalore and Tumakuru on September 9th. During his visit, the AOC-in-C interacted with representatives of the design bureau responsible for the light utility helicopter. He was briefed on the ongoing progress in the production of the LUH. Next, night missions illuminate Jodhpur skies. The night skies over Jodhpur were illuminated by the powerful engines of fighter jets during the second phase of exercise Tarang Shakti 24. The nocturnal missions showcase the Indian Air Force exceptional capabilities in precision strikes, aerial refueling and coordinated operations. The night missions are a testament to the unwavering dedication, skill and unwavering commitment of the IAF's personnel. The seamless execution of these operations highlights the high level of training, coordination and interoperability within the force. Next, INS Sumitra celebrates 10 years of vigilant service. The Indian Navy's indigenous naval offshore patrol vessel INS Sumitra marked its 10th anniversary on September 4th. As a stalwart member of the Sunrise Fleet, INS Sumitra has proven to be an invaluable asset to the Indian Navy, consistently safeguarding the nation's maritime interest. Thank you.